ffrindiau. Today's session we're going to be talking about vegetables, or at least learning how to pronounce the different types of vegetables in Gymraeg. Some of them are pretty similar to the English, but it's worth listening out for those anyway because sometimes the pronunciation is just subtly different. At the end of this video you'll be able to head over to the Tyfu Cymraeg website where you can download a flashcard pack with fruits and vegetables in, which will help you practice this set of vocab with lots of ideas of how to use them. Let's get cracking. Broccoli. Broccoli. Lettuce. Lettuce. Tomato. Tomato. Eid. Corn. Planhigyn wy. Aubergine or eggplant. Avocado. Avocado. Blod frysychen. Cauliflower. Radish. Radish. Pupryn. Pepper or sweet pepper. Nionyn. Carrot. Shibunsyn. Spring onion. Cucumber. Cucumber. Frysychen. Cabbage. Chili. Chili or chili pepper. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Taten. Potato. Nionyn. Onion. Nionyn coch. Red onion. Nionyn. Leek. Panasen. Parsnip. Courgette. Courgette. Peas. Peas. Madarchen. Mushroom. Fa. Beans. Celery. Celery. Spigoglis. Spinach. Taten felis. Sweet potato. Sgewill. Sprouts. Bytysen. Beetroot. Artichoke. Artichoke. Sincere. Ginger. Ruden. Swede. Go back and have a practice of the pronunciation of those fruits, those vegetables, and you can also have a look at the fruits video, which will help you with pronunciation of all the different types of fruits as well. If you would like to practice a bit more, you can head over to tyfucymraeg.co.uk where you can download the flashcard pack, which will give you word lists and some ideas of how you might use them. There are loads of activities that you can have a go at, which will really help you get to grips with these words, this geirfa or vocabulary. Pob lwc, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and how you're getting on. Hwyl am y tro!